Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Forex Surfers for analyzing the major and minor pairs as well as Bitcoin, US 30, gold, silver, crude through Elliott waves. So before we get into this week analysis, so this is my disclaimer. This channel was started for an educational purpose only, not for financial investment. So read all those things what I had written carefully, and I'm not asking any investments. So be cautious and beware of the fraudsters. And I'm not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to my trade plans explaining here. So this is our watch list, regularly what we are doing every week. So starts from DXY. So DXY, from here I expected that bounce, exactly it did, and this is the intermediate wave of running flat for the B, and see it in the 5-way structure. So I took it this as a wave 1 in the diagonal triangle pattern, and wave 2 is completed. Now it's making a 3-way structure. It's looked like sometimes 3-way structure, and it looks like sometimes it's a 4-way structure. So whether it is a 3-way or a 5-way structure, this could be again W, and this is the X, and we are in that Y wave of the third wave. So this could be again continue will the three waves only what I'm expecting. And one more thing I have to explain here, the previous price action from here, and I took it this as an expanding triangle, and I have said that, and I have explained several times. So this could be a B, C, D, and E. So from here it has to bounce back, but the E is still ahead, one more low, or from here it has to bounce. That is the question mark. But all world is expecting the dollar has to fall. But whether it's a one more drop is ahead, or from here it has to bounce back, that is my question. So my answer is also the same as per the previous price action. From here it's everybody looking here as a for the drop, right? How I'm explaining here is like this only. From the low it took 57 bars and as a 81 days, and see whenever it's dropped here and it took consolidation and then again pull back, right, in the bullish scenario. But every time if it is fall, that will be, it's not like this kind of consolidation, it's a drop, sudden drop. But only for the consolidation for the upper side it took more time. So this is example, this is a 57 bars, and from here to here it took 650 days, and from here to here it's 122 days. I'm just looking only in the support zone how it consolidation, and from here to here it's 85 bars. So this both are 122s and 119 days, right? So in every drop has a drop and then consolidation and then bounce back, drop, consolidation and bounce back. But every time if it is dropping, there is no consolidations here. Look at this, it's a drop, and from here it's a drop, here is a drop. From the higher I'm talking about that, like this here, and same here, and from here it's also drop, here also drop. So what I have learned in this price action is, whenever it is a drop, five-way drop, there is a consolidation and bounce back. So this is as a five swings, 1 2 3 4 5 swings, it's already finished. Now it is taking a consolidation, and now I am expecting a bounce like that. I have experienced in this price action what I have learned. And one more thing here is, if we go through this price action, whether this is an impulsive wave, what I took it this as an expanded wave, this as a W, this as a X, A B C is a Y, and this is the X, and another A B C has to finish for the fifth wave. So we already did A, so B and C. So whether if it didn't break means we can mark it as a W also. So in that scenario also A, B and C has finished. So whether it is a one more wave to the drop, if it is not an expanded flat, expanded triangle. So A, B, C, we can mark it as a W, X, A, and these are all the B and one more C way to the downside. That is also possible if this is not an expanding triangle. So in that case, this whole thing becomes 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Like that it has to mark. Here is 3, here is a 4, and here is the 2. So this pattern is an diagonal triangle pattern. So we can make it as a W or A. So we are in that B or X wave. So that means it's a connecting wave. So connecting wave, it won't break this low. So what I talking about, that previous was expanding triangle, and it's already did in the GBP USD, and I have showed that also. So in that case, this is the invalidation point. If it breaks this low, so what will be the next means? That could be considered as a W, X, A, B and C has to break the same 103.82, that is my bias. But if it breaks this also, so then the whole thing will become invalidation from my side. There is no more for me is an alternative corrective, and my view is getting wrong. So I need to suffer my positions in loss. So I need to manage that. But as of now, I stick to this because I didn't break this 91.7, and if it breaks also, it has a chances for coming for that 90.4, the previous consolidation zone may have a chances. And one more thing I have to show you, the previous price action, this could be the bar pattern, what the previous it did, it's looking like a same here also. So there is a chances for a drop. I'm not saying no, we have to be flexible with the price action, and the fundamental thing is also not to strengthen the dollar, because the US lot of severe cases is coming, and day by day the deaths also increasing 1900, and the earlier days in the March in one day. So these all struck the dollar to get the strength. So in any case, I'm expecting only that bias on the dollar to get strength, but there is a lot of chances for making one more low also. In that case, we need to change that label count according to the price action. So this is valid still, but it will become another W, X, Y and Z. So that we have to let's see later. Now we will stick to our the previous analysis. If it breaks this low, again what we'll do is one more low is possible. So then this ABC is a ABC is a B and C. So this whole thing becomes another three-way, and starting from the W, X, A, B, C, and one more wave is also possible. How if it breaks this low? So as of now, for me, this is the wave count I am looking for. So in any case, it can break this low and then again maybe a bounce. Either it could be a running flat or expanded flat, and then again three-way structure is possible. So whether it is breaking this low or without breaking, and then again it can bounce also. So then there will be a wedge formation. So still it is not looking bullish. It will be very consolidation zone only. So let's move on to Euro USD. In the search bar it's not working, and I have a mail to that trading view also. So let's move on to Euro USD. That same pattern, inverted DXY. So I took it this as a ABC is a 1, ABC as a 2. Here it is has to finish, but it didn't break the low that day. After the election it broke the low. So I took it this as a B and C. So this A, this is the B, and C is finished. So in that case it don't want to break and it not yet broken. So from tomorrow or on Monday we may get like this, and then it may drop also. So this is an impulsive wave. It looks like an impulsive wave, but it not yet broken this high. So in that case, this is the A, this is the B and C, or this whole thing becomes A, B and C. After that, if it breaks this high, means one more high is possible, how I explained in the DXY, and then it may drop. So there is a lot of possibilities and lot of consolidation has to make. It's not yet get ready, but if it didn't break this high, there is a lot of chances in any type of formation also it can come downside. So still I'm looking for this, and I'm still in having my short positions. So as I said in the DXY, if this isn't still one more up is possible, so then this is the W, X, A, B, C, W, and this is the X, A, B and C. One more, I will show you it here in the 1 hour, because I took it this as a B, C, right? And this the A, this is the B and C. So this is all the intermediate wave as a running flat in the B and then C. But A, B, C is also a three-way structure. Here also three-way structure, and we can label it as a three-way structure also. So here I put it as a B and C. So here if we mark it as a 1, 2, 3 and 4, the 1 is not yet, that fourth way is not yet touched, and then again it can down also. So in that case ABC is a ABC is a B and then C. But I'm not forcing the chart, but there is a lot of possibilities I'm talking about that. We can mark it as anyway. See, these are all the markings are, I have explained this several times. It's only for our understanding the price action. So still we are in the consolidation, so that we have to mark it as a WX, A, B, C. So C means it could be an impulsive wave. B is a very consolidation and very messy overlapping, and triangle can happen like that. So these are all that understanding the price action for what we are making. So W and A are one, B and X are same. but that C wave and the Y wave is a different. C get a 5 waves and Y is a 3-way structure. So that you have to understand. So if it is possible one more high to 1.21, it's also possible, and I will explain you in the previous. I have explained that in that one of the video also. In that time here, I'm just keep on watching here. From the August only I took the real trade, and after that, before that, I'm just backtesting from 2016 to 2018 August. Till that I have only backtested all my strategies about that Elliott waves. In that time I am sure about this. It has to, here from here, it has to come downside, but we don't know about how it making here. Like this it will be before, but what I said is this is an diagonal triangle way. So this is the 1 2 3 is ended here, 4 and 5 is ended here. So this is a diagonal triangle wave in the fifth way, so it has to come down. But lot of people have marked this as a 1 2, so this is the 3. We are still in the fourth wave, so there is a lot of chances for making one more high, and then it has to drop, and they expected to 1.3 also. But what happened? It came down. It took consolidation. So before that it dropped, lot of people, or if it is a support and resistance, everybody will tell this is the previous resistance, and then now it is an accumulation zone, and we are making one more high is also, then that will be a distribution zone. So what is here? After the drop only we come to know whether this is an accumulation or a distribution. Everybody can say, right? After once it done, we can make it as anything. This is accumulation. If it is went high, means that will become accumulation, and then there is a bigger for that. Everything they will say this is accumulation zone. Now if after the drop they will set it as a distribution zone. So it's not like that. After, see how whatever they said here, it's a drop. This is an again there is an accumulation zone, and a lot of people are said, okay, this is a, again this is getting ready to break this low. So what it did, and it break the low and again bounced. So we don't know whether it is an accumulation or distribution, right? So there is a lot of, because only the price action where we are getting and looking for the possibilities also. Maybe one more high, but that is not that much high, right? And again it has to drop only. Anyway, in conditions, if 1 2 3 4, so 1 2 3 means 4 is doing, and fifth way is very little small, right? And then again it has to drop. So no need to worry if you are a positional trader. Need to sell here, because I had suffered here in the demo account I did in the from the February 2018 right here. And even though I have exited my position in the break even here, because it is going to, I had a position in short, and a lot of people in the forums, and a lot of Elliott wave counts, because I'm a beginner that day. But after that, if it drops like this, I come to know, okay, I am in the right path, so I don't need to follow anybody. So in that day itself, I'm not following anybody. Whether it is a risk is mine. So you have to be your analysis, you have to stick to your analysis, but with the flexible, with the right knowledge. See what I'm talking about is, don't stick to my count also. So I'm just presenting my view. So if I'm talking about that, a lot of possibilities, so in what kind of possibilities it will do, whether if it is going to the higher side, I'm a positional trader, so I won't worry about that. If it going to the higher side, I need to be in sell side. It won't go immediately to break this high. So we already, I'm in the sell at 1.810, that you know very well. So I didn't done anything, just doing only one and then immediately with the 50 pips 60 pips I'm just booking the profit, but holding that one positional lot of 1.1810, still having. If it drops I will book the profit, otherwise if it goes above this 1.21 also I will add there, but not blindly in that same zone. I need to watch the wave formation, whether it is confirmation for me I have to take risk. There is no 100% confirmation. According to the Elliott waves, what my knowledge, if I what I'm getting in my knowledge, I can do that. I'm just simply saying 1.21, but not immediately I won't do that. Whether the wave formation is ended there, or whether it is a correction wave still, or it is an impulsive wave to the upper side and then there is a correction is ended. Lot of things we have to analyze and then only we have to take the positions. Not if it is in high, it is not a sell. See, lot of things I have said like this from here itself. But what the people here it said, lot of you know very well about if you are watching me and a follower of 1 year. From here itself, I'm telling right, it has to reverse. But it made a higher high, higher high, higher high, and it broke the low. And again, what it is doing, the same thing, but it not yet broken this high. So still valid for my count. Only if it get invalid, then that another pattern will working. So that pattern, for that pattern we have to work. It's not for lose or win. Just we need to survive and we need to go along with the market. That's it. There is no either your analysis is wrong and mine is. At the end of the day, we need a dollar for everybody. It's a what strategy or what strategy you are using. So if you understand the Elliott wave also, it's all lot of different people, different kind of wave counts. According to their view, it will get valid or invalid. So let's move on to GBP USD. If you're talking about this strategy and it we 1 hour is not enough. So let's move on to GBP USD. The same thing. I took it this as an impulsive. So there is a W, X, we are ABC, and again there is a connecting wave. So whether it is the Y wave is completed means it has to drop from here and it's not yet broken the high also. Just 0.0002 pips is there. So in a lot of people is asking in the every next platform, if it is in FXCM, they are here in their platform it didn't break, but in one more another platform or IC markets or whatever, just I'm doing example, if it breaks means what you will do. So that kind of, it's very critical to explain here. So as of now what I'm analyzing in that FXCM, and one more thing is IDC. So I will do like that. That is why I'm not so bothered about those 1 pip 2 pip also, but sometimes it will be there, right? If it didn't, if it is a wave 1, wave 2 cannot overlap the wave 1 high. So in that case it's a very important. So some of them in the Bitcoin IC market high is different, and one more platform is Bitfinex is a high is different, and the wave count is different, sorry, wave pattern is different. And IC markets, they won't allow to trade in that Saturday and Sunday, so that kind of time, that chart will be deferred for the 2 days. We can't get the data, so we need a 24 hours for the Bitcoin. So we come to this is a ABC is a W, so this is an X, so the connecting wave. So again ABC is finished. So as of now, if it is the end of the wave, it has to come down, but again and again if it is going higher high, it's not yet make a lower low. So what I'm expecting here is one more drop and then again one more high is also possible. So in that case, that will be ABC. This is a Y, ABC, so X and Z. But no need to break this high, and first time I have already entered the market at 1.3250. Still I'm holding that. I didn't done anything. From here itself I did that 1.3250. Still I'm holding that position, and I have already placed the one more at 1.3425 zone. to sell, but both the stop loss I have already placed at 1.3450, sorry, 1.3500 here I have placed order because I took it this as a one, so we are in the second wave, and this is also I took it as a X wave. So if it is a X wave, we don't want to break this high again, it has to come downside only. That is why there is a stop loss and invalid for me. And the same thing like this only, I have took that NCAD and I got stopped out, that I have explained in that previous stream itself, and now it is in the bullish. So like that, this is in my stop invalidation point for my wave count. So this is the bullish, sorry, this is a bearish. So this is a Y, A, B and C. So I took it this as a running flag. So I will explain you in the weekly chart also. This is a W, bigger W. So this is a one more intermediate wave W, X, A, B, C. So here we can make it as a Y or W, anything. And this is the X wave. It's got finished. And this is also according to that Fib expansion level from here to here, and from the low is exactly at 786. So this is equal to that 786. So now I am expecting a drop to break this low. That is why I have entered with a stop loss. So now let's move on to Australian dollar. So Australian dollar also, even though if it breaks this, I took it this as a W. So this is zigzag action X. So A, B and C. So still one more high is also possible, means it can drop like this, and that time it will be W, X, A, B and C. So that whole thing becomes wave 2, and it don't want to break this high. So this is my valid still. We look at the 4 hours. So this is a ABC is a WX, WXY. In that case, still one more high is possible, means it will come like this, and then again it may do like this also. So in that case, this becomes a X, as a Y means this is a W, X, Y. This could be an X, end of the X here, A, B and C. So here what we have to do, A, B, C is already ended. So this is also A, B, C, A, B and C. So this is the end of that X wave, bigger X. Now I took it this as an expanded flat. But if it does like this, we have to change this as a Y, this as an X, and Z wave is still ahead above 7.5 also. But if it breaks this low, this wave, then this is the valid count. So here it's a lot of confusions, lot of consolidations, lot of possibilities is there. So I'm in only in sell side, that you know very well. Just keep sitting with tightly, didn't done anything, just doing analysis, that's it. So this is the one more alternative view. At that time, this is an A, B, C. So the whole thing becomes A, B and C. If it, yeah, this is the end, A, B and C. So this is also a possible, but I'm looking only for that downside. Still, if it breaks this, if it breaks this high, again there is a lot of chances for making one more high to 7.8 also, 7.5 or 7.6 also. So we need to watch this. At that time, DXY can do one more low to 90.50 also. So in New Zealand also, this the same count. This could be a, if it ended here means I told that day last week, this 1 2 3 4 5, I took it this as a leading diagonal. So in that case, if I said from here is looking like a 5 waves, whether this is a fresh 5 wave or this is an expanded flat and one more high is also possible, it did the same thing. So what is meant by that means here this is the A, in that case this is the B. So 1 2, so 3 is finished here. So still we are in that fourth wave. From here it can do like this, and then it may do like this also. So at that time this is the 1 2 3 4 and 5, but here the fourth wave is ended means here it has a chances for making from here itself drop. Once again, but here it is not looking like that the fourth wave is got ended. So this could be a b c b, and here is a C, means this is not looking like a 5-way structure in 1 hour. This is not looking like a 5-way structure. But if it ended in the diagonal pattern, I'm not able to count here as a diagonal, means this is a 1, this could be a 2, so this is the W X A B C as a 3 here. So A, so it's a B, so this is the end of the fourth wave. One more is possible or it's already ended, the fifth wave, and it's look like a wedge formation also. Sorry, so anything is possible, maybe one more high, or from it can do a drop also. So once it finished, we can label it as anything, but we can't label here, right? That is why I'm telling you, just identify the pattern and where we are. That's it. This is a W, so X, again these are all the thing is expanded ending diagonal, and this is the end of the Y, means it has to drop, otherwise it can drop and again one more 3-way structure to the high and then again drop. In expanding triangle it can be extended also. So mind that there is a big drop is ahead, that I know. So that is why I'm not adding anything also, and I have already placed at 969801 order. So if it got filled and I don't do anything, just need to sit and watch. So let's move on to USD CAD. So USD CAD also I changed the label and I explained that this is the ABC is the one, it's a ending diagonal, sorry, it's a diagonal triangle pattern. Each wave got ABC, and the third wave got the extended, means is a WXY pattern. So 1 2 3 is ended here. So ABC is a 4, so this is an WXY pattern. So it's here is the end of that 5-wave collective pattern. Here is a diagonal triangle. So from here I'm expecting the bullish, so it's already did little bit bullish scenario, and from here it could be again one more drop and then it can go higher. So that is my bias. So there is no change here, and just keep on holding that one buying position. So still holding that. Again I having the 3 buying positions in that earlier also. So I just holding that and I won't add anything. I will just add after the confirmation. If it breaks the high, this high, then only I need to add in the pullback. Add means I can book here what I have bought here, and again if it comes down I will refill my position what I booked here, and then after that I can add and refill also. So I just targeting for that 1 point first of all this one target 1.34, and then again pull back, and again the next target is 1.37. So here I can exit all the position, because lot of entries we may get in every three-way structure. It's a bigger, if the three-way structure is got ended, and again we may get the three-way structure, again we need to enter like that. I have to play in this, but I'm expecting here up to 1.37. And if it extended, means because this is a five-way bearish, so at least we may get the 50%. So at that time 50% means from the 1.46 to 1.29, so 50% is 1.38. So that is a major zone, this zone. So if it is a 61.8, that could be 1.4. So let's see how it works, because it will get a deeper three-way structure only, because this is also an impulsive to the downside. So either this could be a, if it is a positional, you know very well, here in the weekly chart WX, so here is Y is ended. So whether this A B C is got over, we need, it has to break this low of 1.2, but it could make a triangle also. So now I am expecting whether this is the ABC and ABC, so this is also considered as an ABC. So in that case, this, if it is a triangle, means A B C D and then E, and then it may took off, or whether this is an flat correction pattern, it can go up to 1.3850, that is a major resistance zone, and then again it may drop to break this low also. But I don't want to break, again it may be a bigger consolidation zone, it can happen up to 1.25, and then again it can bounce also. So in that case, it's a bigger triangle can happen, or whatever it is. So that we will see later, because it's a weekly, it's not yet needed. So here I'm expecting to 1.3850 or 1.3725. Here in this zone we needed as a target. If it comes here, I will exit all my positions in the long. So UJ also, it's a little bit same. I have finished in this. It's a W, X, A, B, C is a Y, and again this is an, in the previous I marked it this as an A, so this as a B. I'll do it in 4 hour. So this is a W, X connecting wave, and again one more A, B, and C is got finished. So all the finish here, from here it bounced back, right? And what I did here, you know very well, and I have ordered, and I already exited my position at 105.6, here exactly the high, and immediately I buy back everything at 104.6, because it looks like the 5 ways got ended. So that is why I have buy back all the positions here. And what it did, and again it did a one more low also. So from here I didn't done anything, just keep on watching, because it was a one more alternative way I found. Means if this is a W, ABC is over, so this could be like this also. That is why I have explained, and I have marked this. So this could be a ABC A, ABC B, and C. So in that case, this is a Y, this is a X. So we are in the downtrend again. So then if it is there, and this is the lower, means it has to break this low. And I have already placed that 102.8, that you know very well. I have already placed that at 102.8 to buy. So if it comes like this, that is a valid, and that is the end. There is no more count here, and it's already came almost here. What is that? 78.6 and below also, right? Yes, we already did 786. If it one more low means it could be a 886 or whatever. So there is a still possible for this also. So in that case, if this is an X 1 2 3 and one more way to the downside, so this whole thing becomes A, and again B in three-way structure, and again there is a one more drop like this. So still one more low is also possible. Or if here I'll show you in the 1 hour, as per my analysis, if we stick into as per my analysis, this is the A, this is the B, and this is the C, and this is the Z, means this is the previous analysis of mine. This could be an 1. See, here is a 5-way structure, this one. So this whole thing becomes a B, right, and C also a 5-way structure. So in that case, it can bounce from here also. So now the conclusion is, if it breaks, again one more low is also possible. That is also valid. From here, if it bounces also, that is also a valid. So let's move on to, see, here it drop as much as it can reach almost here, the starting zone. But in UHF, it's just only the 50%. So it may be again one more drop is also there, and it can bounce back. So in UHF also, it's finished, completed the 5 structure. 1 2 3 4 5, everything it's got a diagonal triangle pattern. So this also again, from here I'm expecting only the bounce. Sorry, just a moment. Sorry. Yeah, so UHF also is this is the low, and here I'm expecting bounce. But if it is doing consolidation, and as I said, this could be a triangle and then it can be drop. And what is that? That fourth way is a triangle, and one more A, B, and C can be also possible. So 1 2 3 4 is a triangle, another A B C to the downside to 8850. If you remember that I said, and I have already placed the order at 8850. So that is also my bias. In the previous, I have said that you can just scroll back my ideas also in the trading view for the UHF. You can get that also. So this is still valid for bounce also, or it can be drop also. So how we have to trade? Everybody will say, right? Analyzing the pair, it can go high and it can go low, means that everybody, even the beginner, also know that. But what you have to do, that is my question. Where we have to enter and where we have to exit the positions. So how you can do this? If it is a bounce from one more high, if it breaks the high, you need to exit your position at least the 50% what you bought here. That is that knowledge you need to know, and you have to use that. And again, what you have to do, whether if it is one more way to the downside like this of a triangle 1 2 3 4 5, and if it is still again it is a consolidation, means you need to exit your another off position also. Then where you have to buy above this, immediately you need to buy 9.3. If it comes to the 9.3, immediately you need to enter without any need, no need to enter in the pullback. You just enter that off position here, and if it is any get in the pullback and the three-way structure, and you have to enter. So like that you need to plan your position, where you need to enter, where you have to exit. So simply I am telling either it can go from here also valid, and if this comes to the downside also valid. But what you have to do and how you have to trade, that you think yourself what is the safe trade, where we need to book the profit. So in that case, if it is a triangle, is one more possibility, means you have to exit your trade whether it if it breaks this high 9250 or 9225, you have to exit position without any temptation. If it is goes higher, then fine, no need, we having a remaining off position, and in the pullback we can add. But my position target is 1.035, so there is a long way to go. You may get anything, you will get an entry, but if you booked all those things here and if it bounce, means you have to enter in that 93. And if you having the position and again you did not bias on the one side, if it comes back at that time, you may lose the profit what you have earned here. So at least book and bank some of the profits here. So you have to plan. Without planning you can't earn money consistently. So next UCAD UJ is finished. So UCHF, so we can make it an AJ. So AJ also, this is a three-way structure, the impulsive. So we are in the correction wave. So there is a B and C. So whether this is a what I thought is A, B and C. So C is one more already here, or it already ended here. That is here the doubt. That is why I have mentioned this. So what you have to do is you need to buy in the pullback, and then if it comes like this, you need to add. If you are not doing anything, you have to enter above this level only, otherwise at that time it could be end and then again it may drop also. So here this is the final stage. So what you have to do is looking for this, whether this drop ABC is a W, and this is the ABC is a W X. Here is the end of the X, means we may get another three-way structure to break this low. Else this is the W, this is the X, ABC is finished, this W and this is the X, means it can go above this high, maybe in WXY pattern also. So it is not, no need that Y way contains of ABC. It could be a WXY also in three-way structure. So in the three-way structure you can enter, and then again you need to enter another position here above this high, and you need to exit your position here, because it can do like this and then again it may drop also. So at that time A, B and C, and again one more ABC can be to the downside also. Or what is the next option? Again it could be a deeper correction. From here it can go higher also. So that is also possible. No need to break this. If it breaks also, that is also valid. If it didn't break also, that is also valid in that pattern of WX ABC also. So let's move on to CAD JPY. The CAD JPY, there is no change in this. Either this could be a impulsive wave, three-way structure A, B and C. So we are in that B wave. So whether the B wave is a triangle, so B or X, whatever it is a or W, X or B, and then C has to break this high. But in next, where what is the next option is, this could be A, B, C, D. It may do like this and then drop, and then again it may go higher. So in that case, this A, B, C, D, E. So B is a triangle and C can drop. So if it is a consolidation, we didn't know whether this is an accumulation or distribution, right? So this triangle can break either side. So what you have to do is, it either, I said that day itself, if it breaks this high, you can enter for the target of 84 to 85. And if it breaks the low, just keep sitting watching this, you can enter here in the buy. Another three-way structure like this, from here it can happen. But there is a strong resistance zone, the bearish channel is there, so it has to break. Either it could go above that 91, means that could be a expanded flat, because it's a, I took it this as an connecting wave here. So ABC and another one more ABC, so this whole total become the connecting wave, and this kind of wave has to happen here one more. And I'm not able to show that my in that platform IDC. I will explain here itself. This is the A, right? So this is the A. B is already broken this low. So now it could be a running flat, or it could be an expanded flat also. So if it is expanded flat, it has to break above this. If it is a running flat, it won't break, and again it more one more low to the downside. So at that time, this is an A, B, C. So this is the whole thing is the connecting wave ABC and ABC, and this is the one more ABC. So now you can understand that. So this is a simple one I'm looking here, but lot of options. I don't want to confuse more. I know how it has to be a trade. So like that you are need to plan here. So a lot of possibilities is there in the positional. So right now we don't want to that, but I just explain that what I'm looking for. So either it could be a X or B wave triangle and then it can go high, or either it could be an intermediate B wave or X wave to the downside and then again one more high. So need to enter above this is the more safety, if or this one. So either way, if it is 82 and 81.5 is not much difference, but the target is 84. So 82 200 pips is there, and making the stop loss of that E wave. So that could be around 1:1, I think so. If it, so we have to first finish here, then only we can, yeah, we can able to find the stop loss. So next we can move to New Zealand CAD. So New Zealand CAD, I have explained that I have stopped out because previous I thought this would A, B and C is in a wedge pattern, and this could be a impulsive ABC, and this is the impulsive wave. So this WX, and we are in that still one more down. I have expected like that only, but now it is already broken this wave. So on this channel also. So now we are in that bullish trend, that is confirmed now. So how we have to change? So this ABC is a W here. So this is an running expanded flat. X, ABC is a Y. So for this 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 swings, we need a B and C, the 3 swings. So once the 5 swings and 3 swings it's got over, another 5 swings has to come to the downside. So now what is the short? Now the positional view is clear. So now we need to be in buy side. So then the CAD has to get losing the strength. Here I'm expecting the ABC is A, ABC is a B, and one more ABC is a C is finished, and it already broken the high. So that means we are in the irregular flat because this is a five-way structure. So this kind of five-way structure has to happen here. After that, you can make it as a stop loss. Once the five-way structure is got over, I will be enter in this trade because I already got stopped out. So I need to buy back to what I lost at around 8837 I bought, and one more thing is 8960 I have already short. So this 60 pips and one more, it's a 200 pips, so total 260 pips I lost here. I need to recover that, so I just keep on watching that. After that, if it finished that X wave, then I will be enter the trade in that long, but not blindly. I will keep on informing, and I have no time to posting lot of things because I'm doing the Indian stocks also, that you know very well. So I'm little bit busy and I'm the only one person, so it's a very tough to uh, update that Telegram channel also. It's very tough. That is why I am not able to do in the trading view also. So just now keep on watching only the YouTube, focusing on the YouTube. So I don't know how I can explain and I can inform you. So whether if I have time I can inform you, otherwise you have to be watching only in the YouTube. So next we have to look for that. What else is there? Yeah, Euro New Zealand. Yeah, I'm in the trade in that. I will explain you that once. Yeah, Euro New Zealand. So Euro New Zealand, as per the plan, from here itself I keep on watching that, and I have already several time I have explained is the A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is finished. So this is the A, B, C is the W, X, A, B, C. So three ways is got finished. So now, and I have explained that also it can break this low also as an irregular flat pattern, that is also valid. So now this kind of wave, at least 786 for this wave, it has to reach from that low to high. My target is 1.79, and then it may drop. So according to that, I'm just keep on watching and just keep on informing in that trading view also only for this Euro New Zealand. And I will explain you here my positional view count. See, this is the A, right? So A, B, C, D, E as a triangle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because lot of people's I'm asking me, and lot of websites are posting it's a different view. So why your view is different from others? So I can't explain that. I can explain my view count, that's it. I won't compare to anybody. So this is a B, C is got over. I marked it as a W, and this is the consolidation zone of EX. And here also A, B, and C is in which formation. So Y is completed here, and either X is could see in this pattern. I will explain you here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So whether this is could be A also, and here it's a triangle. So whether this could be a B also. I marked it as a, see, I just keep on watching of this wave count and marking this as for my references only. So now this could be a, B, and C is a 5 structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is got finished here. So we can make it as an W, X, A, B, and C also. Or if we do make it as a Y, means Y contains of a three-way structure. So whether this could be a diagonal triangle also, ABC is a 1, ABC as a 2, ABC as a 3, ABC as a 4, ABC as a 5, whether this is not looking like a three-way structure. So in that case, ABC as a B, and C, like that's whatever we can label it as. So no need to watch about here. What I'm trying to say here is, for me, this is the end of the trend here. I took it this has an end, and this is the fresh 5 waves. But lot of people asking me in some websites also, they took it this as a B, and C. So they took it this as an expanded flat correction. So in that case, this is an X or W, and this is the X wave, and we are in that downside, and it's already broken. So one more way to the downside is also possible. So either way, it's already broken. I took it this as a irregular flat pattern, and I'm expecting one more way to the higher side. And for them also, this is an X means this is an W X A B C. So whatever it is, and they took it as this as a B C as a B C as a B, and they are looking for the C wave as a five-way structure. So in that case, this is a 1, this is a 2. So this is a 3. So where is the 4? So they make this as a 4. So here is the confusion, and for me it's a conclusion. So whether this is a 1, 2, so they did as a 3 here. So 4, it's not looking like the 4. This is a clearly impulsive way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will show you in the 15 minutes also. For me, I took it this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, I may also wrong. What I'm trying to say is I'm just explaining how I am trading, how I'm labeling that. So according to this pattern, I took it this as a fresh 5 waves, and this is a 3-way structure. One more this kind of wave A, B and C has to happen. That's it. So whether is a 5 waves means, we come to the point. This is the wave 1 because I took it this as a for fresh 5 waves as a, this 3-way structure as a B. So C wave contains of 5 waves means 5 wave, the wave 1 is completed means wave 2 not overlap and go below this wave 1. So that is why I have placed the stop loss, and I just keep on watching with this stop loss. I already entered here, that you know very well, and I booked here at 1.73, and again I refill here everything. I don't want to look for that, but I have informed that it may do a complex correction also, and immediately it came down. So now I have, see here, it's a B and C, or W X A B C is over. So this is a all question mark only. So what I thought is here, from here it has to bounce back, and I have already placed that one more at 1.7080, and I have what I refilled at 1.7225. I just keep watching this here, and again this is looking like a consolidation here and dropped. So now how I took this A B C as a A, A B C as a B, we will remove this, and this is a C waves got completed. I just look this in 5 minutes also, and 1 minute I entered again one more lot at 1.7065. I entered here because see, my stop loss is 1.7045, and I have already placed at 1.07040 because of the spreads. So here the risk is only 25 pips. No need to lose this, and I have a clear wave count. Even though if it is dropped and hit my stop loss, no worry about that. Where we need to take risk, we need to take. That's it. My policy is that same thing. So they did the complex correction. Now I'm expecting from here, say I bought at 1.7065. Now I'm in profit, right? Nearly 40 pips. So what I will do, I will bring all the stop loss to here, because the previous stop loss is 1.7040. So what I bought here, that I will bring the stop loss to here itself. Just I bought at 65, I bring the stop loss at 1.7050. So only the 15 pips I will lose in this trade. But if it goes like what I expected, if it bounced from here, what is my risk reward for this trade? Sorry, I'll just keep it one hour. So this is the wave 1, this is the wave 2. So wave 3 will be up to here also 1.618. 1.75. I will exit all my position. I don't want to trade that fourth and fifth. And if it is pull back for the fourth wave, and just keep on watching. So if it reached here, I won't exit blindly. Just keep on watching that. In 1 minute chart also, I saw yesterday night to enter the trade. See how it is very beautiful trade here. I have catch this one. Here is a 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Like same in 1 minute also. I catch that. So like this, if we need to enter, we can convert to the 1 minute also to enter, but not I won't exit in that 1 minute time frame. Just keep on watching in that 1 hour, and if it is clearly seen like this, I will exit in my third way, nearly 70% of my position, and again in the fourth way I will do only that 25%. So 50% position only will reach that target. So that is my plan. So it took more time, I think so, to in the this Euro New Zealand. So just we will see, and US 30. This stream is little bit I think okay. So I forgotten to the search button is not working. So just we will do one more trading view and Euro New Zealand. So we'll close this and watch list. So US 30. See, as per that US 30, my plan is same. I didn't change anything. Just keep watching this. ABC is a W. So whether this is a W means it may get a deeper correction, or this is the W and this is the X, A, B, C. So this is an irregular flat pattern. I'm expecting this only. So no other wave count here for me, because I took it this as an X, A, B, C finish means this is a Y wave. Either it could be a W, X, A, B, C. So this is the end of the trend, and one more drop is needed to that 24,850. So I didn't watch this week, so I can't explain here, and I didn't done an intermediate also because I'm so busy in that forex. So it's not yet broken the high also. So this is a valid for 1, 2, 3 ABC, and again we are in that. So here also it could be a triangle also for the further high, or it could be a drop also. For the further high means I'm not so, because I didn't watch anything. Just for the stream I just looking for this. So we will stick to that. If it goes again high means that will be different. Then that X will become the end here itself. So this is the impulsive wave A, and if it is a triangle that could be a B, and then C again to the higher. So that could be X is a very simple. If it is a deeper correction, it can do like this. This could be a W, X, A, B, and C. Or this is the end of this W, and this is a X means A, B, C is a W, and again X is could be a triangle or deeper correction, and then again it may go higher also. So let's sorry. Again I'm doing the same thing. Okay. So next we will watch that gold, silver, and crude. We will finish that crude. Yeah, crude here. See whether this is a B, and C. This is a irregular flat in expanded flat. So in that case, this has to come down. It don't want to break this low, this high again. If it breaks means again what I had written here, it could like this, and again one more high is also possible. So in that case this won't be like this. This is the X, so here is a finished. So here it is also making a three-way structure, so that could be another W, X, A, B, C. So in that case this whole thing becomes A, and it can break above this high also, the previous high, and then again drop also. So in either case, and it is not looking like a bullish here, the crude, because from here I have explained that it took nearly 5 months. So this 5 months from here to here for the 50%, it has to make another 5 months in the consolidation zone. It won't go immediately. I am not in the trade because I have a lot of open positions and I'm not trading the crude. If only if it comes to the 24 or $27, or if it is very promisable trade, if it comes here, it's looking like a 3-3 base, and if it is got ended here means I can short that also at 46 levels, but I'm not sure about that. I'm just explaining here, that's it. So whether this could be an irregular flat also, there is a lot of chances. From here it may not go higher, I think so, because for this 5 months impulsive wave, it was only the 2 months it's for the correction, and it did we will just check what percentage nearly from here to here. It's not, yeah, it's only 23.6. Let's see, it can do anything, market can do anything, we can't bias, but I'm expecting here. But I that is why I'm telling you, right, I'm not to be in short side, because I'm just keep on watching the UCAD. According to that I'm just trading this. So let's move on to that gold. So gold is also, I need to explain, it's a very beautiful trade, but I didn't done anything because of that lot of open positions. See, my plan here is ABC is a W over, and this is the end of the X. If it is the end of the X means we need to trade only that, just simple A and B to the higher and C to the drop. So that is my bias. So that drop may be here also. For that, according to the fib expansion, so y X equal to means, yeah, 1780. So it could be 1780 or 1731. So that is the simple one, right? What is that? That is in the book trade as per that book. But we can expect more if it is a more complex correction. So it didn't break that low 8. It's still hanging here. So there is a lot of chances for making another high also. In that case, ABC is a W, here is a X, A, B and C, and then again drop also. So that is what I have explained previous stream also. So just a moment, I will just exit. Yeah, from here it can drop, or from here itself there is a lot of chances from drop. How we can look at further 1 hour chart. See, the simple here is A, B, C is finished. So there is a lot of chances to the come to the downside. So what is that? C wave. So C wave could be an ending diagonal also. In that case, this could be a 1, this could be a 2, so this could be a, this could be a B, and again C can drop from here also. So that is why I didn't done anything in that buy side. But I know whether it is going to be a little bit bounce from here. How means, I just keep on watching in the 15-minute chart. Here clearly I had seen that three-way structure. and this is a five-way structure, 1 2 3 4 5. So after the 5 we need a three-way structure to complete the five-way again, but it already broken the low before making the high. So that means we come to know there will be a irregular flat correction can happen. It already broke this exactly low and it bounced. So this trade we need to take. After that, this trade also we need to take. But I didn't done nothing. Even I can do it in 0.25 also, but I didn't done anything because this five ways, A, B, C is a three-way and this is a five-way. So here is A, B and C also five ways, 1 2 3 4 5. It's everything, it is a perfect. In the 15-minute chart we get lot of opportunities in gold. I missed that because I'm just keep on watching in the FX pairs, lot of open positions. See this kind of good trades, even though I know I'm missing because of lot of open positions. That is the thing we need to understand. That is why I have from the starting itself I need to focus only in that five pairs I decided. Once it all the target got hit as per my plan, AU, NU, EU, GU, so UJ, UCHF, UCAD, so near and silver, so nearly 9 pairs I'm in the trade. So no need to that. Just I need to focus only after once the target got hit in from this positions, what I have on open positions, I need to be only focus on gold and silver first thing, and GU or EU. Within those two I need to do only one. UJ and UJ I won't trade because I'm trading the gold. So I need to take UCAD and AU, NU. Within these two I need to trade only one. So three currency pairs and two commodities. Five pairs is more than enough. And if you want, you can concentrate on the US 30. So that is more than enough to make money. No need to diversify all the things in the dollar pairs itself, right? I'm just suffering in AU, NU, EU, GU, everything I'm done. But I splitted my positions even though. So I need no need to concentrate all those pairs. For the analyzing for you, I can do. But for my trading purposes, I no need to do and open the positions like that. That I have learned because it's a lot of concentration, diversifying my mind, and I'm not concentrating and I'm losing a lot of trade ideas. So don't do that. Concentrate only on two or three pairs. That is more than enough, I think so. And NCAD I got stopped out, and now I'm in the trade in the EN because I'm more confident in the EN, and the risk also too small. That is why I have concentrated EN, but I'm keep on watching that in 3 months before itself. That is why I have entered. So let's see, one cross currencies, two major currencies, one gold, silver. That's enough, I think so. At the end of the day, anyway, we need a dollar only, right? What the pair you need to trade. So now we come to the analysis. Just we need either ABC is a W and now it's a X, ABC, one more high to that 1915 is also possible. Or it could be another W, X, ABC and above this level 1960 to 2000 is also possible. Or from here it can be possible. So how you have to trade? Just think how you have to be in the trade. How you have to take. Whether if you took this trade from here it's a sell, you are expecting this wave, it may do like this. So what is the conclusion? How you have to trade? In that Elliott wave traders, as per, you need to enter here. No need to make a stop loss because see in my strategy I'm explaining how I will trade. And again if it comes here, we need to add. If it goes here, be satisfied what you're having here. Book the profit and exit. That's it. Simple. But my positional target is it has to come to the 1800 or something around 1760 also in this consolidation zone, and one more three-way structure. So it will took more time and then only it can drop. So I'm expecting the target maybe around 1400 and again. But everybody is still now also saying once it got hit in that 18 zone, the one ABC and ABC's correction is got over, again there will be a lot of chances for making 2200 to 2500. But I'm not sure in that, because once if it got hit here, first I need to exit. That's it. No need to do anything. Just keep on watching. And if I have found any trade setup in the ABC after the B, and we can trade the C wave only in the small, because until if it breaks the 2083, then only it will be a bullish, but not immediately. Also it can do irregular flat also again. So beware of the media's the hype created. Sorry, again I did the same. Okay, we will move on to the silver. Finally, I think so. Silver, yeah, silver also the same. Here it's one correction is got over. So whether it is same thing, it's also the silver also. It didn't break this high. So A, B, C, A, B, and C. This is also same thing. I missed in that what I explained in that gold in that 1 hour chart. See A, and it already broke this low. So then A, B, C. So A, B, and C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we need to buy, and here we need to sell. Here you need to buy. These are all excellent trade setups. So once ABC is got over, so whether it is going to make a triangle and drop in the B wave. So A, B, C, D, E, like this, or like this. And if it breaks this also, we need to break this low. Else it has a chances again the bigger triangle or bigger irregular flat. So no need to hold that till that $20 or whatever what I said in the previous. So from here itself it has a chances for making a one more low, otherwise it can be consolidated here lot of time and then it can drop. So there is a lot of chances for making a B and C. If it is drop means it has to be drop immediately. If it is doing like this and again drop means also it's also possible. But first of all it has to break this 21,500. Still there is a lot of chances for making a triangle or again regular flats. So you have to think what kind of trade you have to do. It's a short term trade, you have to look for this, book the profit and don't convert that into a positional trade setup. What I'm trying to say that only, if you're looking for that A, B, and C, if it's coming very fast, everybody don't book the profit. They will keep waiting for to break this layer and then to hit the target of 19. It won't do like that. It may also, but lot of chances. Why you are taking the risk? Here is the A, so B is a triangle. You are placing the stop loss here and looking for the target. You just get exited your trade. A, B, C. And if you keep watching for to break this, silver will do like this. Immediately there will be bounce back like this, and you will lose all the off profit also from here. So mind that if you are a short-term trader, what is the risk calculated? Exit your position. Don't increase your again the reward immediately. If it is a 1:3, not more than that, mean you have to exit. Like the EN, what I have explained, like that you can do. But here in this zone, where you are in that zone, it will took more time to consolidate here, and then only it can drop. It won't drop immediately because this A, B, C took more time, and this A, B, and C, if it is come means it has to come down. But it is again and again it's doing the consolidation. It may drop also, but it can, same thing, if it breaks this, there is a lot of chances to bounce back and again making a three-way structure. So I think I finished everything. Yeah, Bitcoin, we forgot that. Bitcoin also, my trade setup, it didn't break the high yet. So here I need to explain. This could be a diagonal trade 1 2 3 4 5. It's a or 1 2 3 4 5. So for this 5 swings, 1 2 3 4 5 swings, this is a 3 swings. So we either A B C is a W X A B and we are on the C wave, or 1 2 3 4 5 waves and it is a zigzag correction A B and C, and we are in that exactly in the AB is equal to CD pattern. So from here we can look it for that positional trade A B C. So here also it's a W, and from here if it is that X means A B C has to break this low, but it didn't break that low. So that means A B and C. In that case this is a W, this is a X. So X wave can go above this high also to attract all the buyers, and then again may drop irregular flat. And this is not looking like that kind of impulsive wave here. It's not looking like that 5s here. It's looking like a correction, and this is the C wave price action. So for me, I'm looking only for that short, but I'm still shorted. And then yesterday I booked that 500 points. I shorted at 17,300 and I booked the loss, because in the IC market they won't allow to trade in the weekend. And if I place the stop loss at 19,400 and the Monday if it gaps up means nearly to the 20,000, I may lose more, and that stop won't get hit also. So that is why I have booked my loss in that Bitcoin at 18,300 I shorted, and I booked at 18,700. So now it is here in that looking for that in that intermediate waves. From here this is the 1 2. Okay, there is no one. So 1, this is a 2. So either the 3 got ended here, still we are in the fourth wave, or the fourth waves got already completed in the triangle, because this dropped the 1500 points. It's very flash crash, and this also in looks like a 5-way structure. Look at the 5 minutes. See here, this looks like a 5-way structure. So we can't make it as a 3-way structure. So either this could be a B and C, and then again one more high. So this could be a fourth wave here, or it could be anything in the triangle, or it could be ended. So that is also possible, because I'm not concentrating here in this zone. 1 2 3 4 5 is got ended here, means it can drop from here itself. We'll just look for that. See here, it is also making again 3-way structure. It's not a 5-way structure. So still one more high is possible, that we will see later, and then we can decide. And if it is have a time, I will inform in that my Telegram channel or Facebook or TradingView. You can follow that. If anything in confirmation, I can inform that. So I think I finished everything. as per our watch list. Once again, check. CAD, UJ, UHF, AJ, CJ also did, NCAD also did, Euro New Zealand, US30 Bitcoin, Gold, Silver, Crude. So I think you enjoyed my analysis for this week analysis. So thanks for watching and thanks for sharing. Thanks for commenting and have a nice profitable week and we will see you in the next week. Have a nice day.